Hi, this is Miko and welcome back to the RT-Thread tutorial. In the previous video, I've introduced how to create a project by using RT-Thread Studio. And in this video, I will introduce some advanced skills regarding STM32 Blue board. But before that, we will review how to create a basic Blue board project. If you are not going to use Blue board, you can omit this video.
Okay, I will teach you how to create your Blue board project. Please open RT-Thread Studio software and click this SDK Manager. And you need to ensure that you have installed the latest version RT-Thread source code. And click this button, Update. Great. And then you need to install the cheap support packages. STM32F1. Click this and install one package. Okay, and then we need to install board support package. You need to find the STM32 unknown Blue. Click this, the latest version, and install. Great, then you can close the SDK Manager. And then we need to right-click this area, the Project Explorer, this area, right-click, New, Project, and select RT-Thread Project. Next, select Base on Board, and give you project name. Select STM32F103 unknown Blue, and finish. Now, RT-Thread Studio have helped you to create a project automatically, and click this button, Debug Configuration, and download Reset Mode. We should select the System Reset, and OK. Select our project and click this button to compare our project. Plug the ST-Link debugger to your computer and click this button. Download your program to STM32 Blue board. And now you can see the LED on the board is blinking now.
So one of the advanced skills is we can develop the Blue board's USB port as a virtual serial and get rid of the UART-USB adapter.
I will teach you how to use USB as a virtual serial. You could double-click board information. And here's a README file. In this file, Chapter 4 will tell you some advanced skills, including how to use USB Virtual COM as a console device. Here. But I will still teach you how to do that step by step. You can use this file as a reference. Okay, then you need to double-click RT-Thread Settings. Click More. And in the components, you need to find device drivers. And in this folder,
you need to find using USB. Open this folder, click using USB device. That's great. And then you need to find USB thread stack size. We need to change the size to 512. And then you need to find device type. And we need to select enable to use device as CDC device. Click this. That's great. And then we need to find hardware. And in this folder, enable USB device. Select this. Click packages and open tools packages, this folder. And select virtual console, this software package. That's great. And we need to compile our project again. Okay, and then we can close RT-Thread settings and open applications, this folder, and open main.c, this file. And we need to do some change. So we need to add the software that we just added. Work console. And we need to add some codes in here. And open readme.imd. And you may find here there are 2-line codes. Copy that and put this code in there. That's great. And we need to save this main.c file and compile it again. Download the program to the Bluetooth board. And connect the Bluetooth board and your computer through the USB cable. And you can click this button, open a terminal, and select corresponding serial port. OK. Enter. So you can see the Bluetooth board give us some responses. I can type some commands, for example, help, and list the thread. That's great. And now we can use USB device as a virtual stereo. The other skill that I want to introduce is how to extend the Bluetooth board flash space. According to ST official datasheet, STM32F103C8 has 64 kilobytes of flash. However, C8 and CB use the same type of silicon die, which means C8 also has 128 kilobytes of ROM theory, but still locate the high 64 kilobytes. So what should we do to unlock this space? Basically, we need to do nothing. RT-Thread Studio will help you to unlock the Bluetooth board high 64 kilobytes if you use Bluetooth board BSP as template to create your project. You just need to press the flash download button as usual. What you only need to remember is that Bluetooth board has 128 kilobytes of flash rather than 64 kilobytes.